Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. DIY number 1. For this, I'm going to take one of this wooden heart, which I actually cut down from one of the signs. I sanded it down to smooth all the surface, and also I'm just taking thick white chalk paint and covering all the surface. And now I have this beautiful animal print tissue paper, and I just painted this wooden home sign with the white paint, and I decoupaged this animal print on top of it. Now the heart that I painted is dried and ready to be stuck, and I took a dab of a hot glue and I stuck in the center of the home just like so. And I got this beautiful stencils from Dollar Tree, and I'm trying to stencil out love over there. Since that doesn't have a sticky surface in the back, so I'm just using a little bit of masking tape around it so it stays secure and my letters would come out right. Now using this thick black chalk paint from Dollar Tree, I'm just, filling the gaps and stenciling it out. And I took my sweet time to do it because I do not want any paint to come out beyond the letters. After it is dried, I just pulled out. So this is the cute love print. I'm just loving it. So what do you think about this so far? So now I'm going to decorate this. Some of the black jute twine. This is actually one of the Dollar Tree jute bag, and I used one part for another project. So I'm just pulling out a couple of strands of this jute twine and I'm combining it all three together and to make like a thicker rope kind of a look there. And I'm going to circulate this around the home, and I'm also going to use two of these beads which I painted gray off screen, and I'm going to give like a tassel there. So using a dab of a hot glue, I'm sticking one part of the jute twine and I'm circulating it around the home just like that, and I'm going to knot it in one corner, and I'm going to stick that also with a dab of a hot glue, and the edge of it I'm basically twisting, and I'm going to take a dab of a hot glue there and make it like a sharpie edge so that it goes through the hole of the bead. I tried that with a ribbon, it worked, so I'm going to try it with the jute twine as well. So here we go. So I'm just trying one more time and then taking this dab of a hot glue and then trying to insert it through the bead, and after it goes a little bit inside, I'm going to stick it with some more hot glue in there so it stays there. You're going to see after it is stuck, it just stays there in the place. So this is how it looks after it is all stuck. And isn't this gorgeous? I'm just loving this so far. And I'm not going to stop there. I wanted to decorate this with some florals and some greenery. I have this tiny white flower and also some baby's breath which has like light greenery. After it is stuck, this is how it looks. So what do you think? I'm just loving it. This video would be part of Small Creators Sunday, and this is hosted by Tiff over the Broke Girl Aesthetics and also co-hosted by Michelle over Moxie DIY Java. And the theme would be Love DIYs. So I chose to do some of the animal themed print DIYs. So there will be like a huge playlist, and I'll also leave the link of their channels as well as the link of the playlist. So please be sure to visit their channels as well as the playlist to support all of us. So let's move on to DIY number 2. For this, I'm taking one of this beautiful shoe box, and it was such a very sturdy and strong shoe box. I didn't have a heart to throw it away. So I also had a broken mirror. So the outer casing of the mirror broke, but the mirror was like really in a good condition. So I just stuck that heart-shaped mirror on the background of the shoe box, just like that. And I wanted to decorate this around the heart mirror. I want to decorate with this white roses that I got from Dollar Tree and also tiny bud roses around it. So I'm planning to alternate one white rose and one bud rose in between. So I will show exactly how I did it. By the way, this was my one of the early videos, so my daughter was actually helping me record this at this point. So I was just doing, and she was just basically holding the camera. I didn't have the ring light and camera during that time. Anyways, so what I'm trying to do over here is I'm just taking all the plastic parts from the white rose. So I'm arranging everything on top of each other with a dab of a hot glue. I'm sticking it all back together. The reason I removed all the plastic parts is the rose just pops out and it doesn't stick properly. So I just removed all the plastic parts, so it's very easy and it conforms to the shape of the heart, and this is how it looks after all the roses are stuck. Isn't this pretty? I'm just loving it. All the mirror and the white roses with the animal print around it. So you have to let me know what you think about it. On to DIY number 3. For this, I'm taking one of this wooden heart cutout which I got from Michael's. It's actually a keychain. So I'm going to, stick this one of this animal print tissue paper on top of it with a dab of Mod Podge, just like that. And I'm spreading the Mod Podge with a flat brush, and on top of it I'm just arranging this tissue paper and spreading the Mod Podge all over top of the heart, just like that. And I'm going to let it dry. After it dries, I'm going to sand it down just like that. I'm using the sanding block. I'm just trying to circulate it around the heart, and with this technique all the surface comes like really neat. You don't have any extra paper lying out here and there. I also wanted to try the lighter technique also. I'll do it next time. For some reason I forgot. I wanted to do it today and this is actually one of the garland that I have been using for most of my crafts. So I'm trying to insert the other edge of the garland in through the hole of the heart, and I created a knot to pass through the beads, and I'm also trying to stick some florals and greenery on top of it. For this I took one of the wood flower from the Dollar Tree, and it actually came in a pack of 6. So I just attached that with a dab of a hot glue, and this is one of the cute greenery, and I got 2 pieces of them and I'm sticking it around the rose with a dab of a hot glue, and this is how it looks after all decorated. So you have to let me know what you think about it. On to DIY number 4. This DIY I did long back, and this is actually one of the solar powered night lamp. And what I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to stick a box on top of it, and on top of this tiny box I'm going to attach one of this press-on lights, and this has got a sticker in the back. So all I'm trying to do is remove that, peel the sticker off and then trying to attach it. And this is one of the tiny fish bowl that I got from Dollar Tree long back, and I just stuck a boa around it. After it is done, this is how it looks. And now to the final reveal of all the beautiful animal themed Valentine DIYs. So this is one of the home sign with the animal print background, and one of the heart love sign, and some of the greenery, and some 2 of the wooden beads tassel as a decor. So yeah, the whole look of it, I'm just loving it. You have to let me know what you think about it in the comment section. And the next one is this beautiful shoe box, which I converted into a wall decor piece. And this shoe box is special to me, so I wanted to convert that into a keepsake. So here we go with one of the, mirror in the back and some white roses to go along with it. So this is one of it. I'm just loving. You have to let me know what you think in the comment section as well. And that this one is beautiful garland with a heart in one side of the garland as a decor, and I attached some of the rose and some greenery with the white beads. I'm just loving the whole vibe of it. You have to let me know what you think about this as well in the comment section. And this DIY I did long back. So this is actually one of the solar powered night lamp. I decorated it with white boa, and this is one of the cute couch that I got from Dollar Tree from a long back, and I just wanted to put it underneath this lampshade so it looks like cozy, and it complements the whole look of the animal themed DIYs over here. And yeah, this is one of the cute night lamp, and it also glows like very subtly in the night. It's actually glowing, you cannot really see with the bright light around. So this is one of the decor that will go in one of the rooms. And these are all the few simple, easy, animal themed Valentine DIYs that I wanted to share with you all today. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you would consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.